Here in this problem, Pm is equal to 15 is given to you. This is 15 suppose. PQ is equal to 25. The whole value here 25 is given. PR is equal to 20. This is complete PR, that is equal to 20, and NR value is given as 8. Okay. In triangle PQR, first of all we can find out the value of Pn as well as MQ. PQ is equal to Pm plus MQ, since P dash M dash Q betweenness. Total value of PQ is equal to 25 given. The value of Pm is equal to 15 is given, and here is MQ. Therefore, MQ is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. So MQ is equal to 10. Number 1. Also, PR is equal to Pn plus NR plus NR. Since P dash N dash R, the total value of PR is given, that is equal to 20. Pn we don't know, and NR is equal to 8. Therefore, Pn is equal to 20 minus 8, that is equal to 12. So Pn is equal to 12. It was right. Now, we just consider the ratio here, Pn upon NR. So now here Pn is equal to what? Here 12. Just find out. And MQ is equal to 10. Just find out. And therefore, we consider here Pn upon NR, that is equal to 12 by 8. And 12 by 8 is nothing but here, this is 4 into 3 and 4 into 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So divided by this much. Similarly, we can consider Pm divided by MQ. So value of Pm is equal to 15 and value of MQ is equal to 10. So again here this can be written as 3 by 2, 5 2s and 5 3s. Here is 3, here is 4. From 3 and 4, 3 and 4, we can say that Pn upon NR, which is equal to Pm upon MQ. Now this ratio Pm upon NR is equal to Pm upon MQ. Therefore, by converse of BPT theorem, BPT, we can say that line NM is parallel to side RQ, and that we have to prove it. Okay. Then we can take a next problem. The next problem is here in trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB parallel to side PQ, parallel to side BC. Okay. This is the PQ. AP is equal to 15, I mentioned here. PD is equal to 12. So this is 12. QC is equal to 14. I mentioned here 14. And BQ we have to find out. Now, Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. Means all three sides AB, BD, PQ and DC are parallel to each other. Here AB is a transversal. Also BC is also their transversal, and therefore by three parallel line theorem and transversal theorem we can write here AP divided by PD is equal to BQ divided by QC. Just you write by theorem. If you don't write, not necessary to write all the theorems. So therefore the value of AP is equal to 15, the value of PD is equal to 12 given to you, BQ is equal to, that we have to find out, and QC is equal to 14. Just cross multiply, you will get 15 into 14 is equal to 12 into BQ. So BQ is equal to 15 into 14 divided by 12. Okay, make a cancellation. 3 4s are 5, yeah. 5 into 14. Again, you can cancel here. Therefore, 7, 2, 35 divided by 2. The answer is 17.5. So the value of BQ nothing but here 17.5. Okay. Question number 6. Find QP using given information in the figure. Now if you look the figure in triangle PMN, this both angle here MNQ and PNQ congruent angle, and therefore NQ must be the angle bisector of angle PNM, and therefore we can apply here angle bisector theorem here. Now we start from this. In triangle MNP, ray NQ is bisector of angle MNP. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, MN divided by NP is equal to MQ divided by QP. MQ divided by PQ. The value of MN is equal to 25. The value of NP is equal to 40. MQ is equal to 14, and PQ we have to find out PQ. Okay. PQ means QP. Just cross multiply 25 into PQ is equal to 14 into 40. PQ is equal to 14 into 40 divided by 25. Just 5 5s are 5 8s are. PQ is equal to 14 into 8 divided by 5. The answer is PQ is equal to 2 divided by 5. that is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2, and here is 5 4s are 22.4 is the answer of PQ, and that is equal to QR, QP, not 22.4. This is the answer. Now look this problem number 9. This problem is quite different because here the value is given in the form of x. It is not purely value is given to you. In triangle ABC, segment BD is a bisector. Segment BD is a bisector of angle ABC. This is angle bisector. If AB is equal to x, BC is equal to x plus 5, AD is equal to x minus 2, and DC is equal to x plus 2. Then find the value of x. X is unknown. How to solve this? In triangle ABC, segment BD is bisector, angle bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, we start from the A point, AB upon BC is equal to again AD upon DC. Put the value here. X upon x plus 5 is equal to, the value of AD is x minus 2. Here is a x plus 2. Okay. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get x into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 2. Multiply with this, x into x, x square, plus x into 2, 2x is equal to, multiply x with this bracket, you will get x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, 5 into x plus 5x, and 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Here x square and x square get cancelled, common. Therefore, 2x is equal to addition of minus 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 5x, that is equal to 3x minus 10. Therefore, transfer here, you will get 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 10. Okay. Therefore, minus x is equal to 2x minus 3x, that is equal to minus x, is equal to minus 10, and therefore multiply third by minus 1, you will get x is equal to 10. And this is the required answer. X is equal to 10 is the answer. Okay.